All right, hello everyone. So we're here at 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. Luckily we're out here enjoying being on the water. So we're on a 35-foot boat right now, and as you can see, we're rolling. This was boating for hundreds of years. Luckily we introduced a product that forever changes that experience of being on a boat. So we'll see now, although the unit, the flywheel inside this encapsulation is spinning, we have it locked. And we'll ask the captain to unlock it. And you'll see as he unlocks it, this unit will start moving fore and aft. In doing so, it's producing a torque to port and starboard, very counterintuitive. But that is what essentially is righting the motion of this boat. So there is nothing external on the boat. There's no fins sticking outside of the boat, no drag, no loss of speed, efficiency, no risk of snags or damage. So we're doing it completely internal. So as I said, this is a 35-foot boat. It's equipped with our Seakeeper 3. We have 9 products in our recreational portfolio. And if you look at the product, each of them have a numeric. And what that is the angular momentum, which you could say is the equivalent to horsepower in an engine. And angular momentum is based on the speed of the flywheel, the weight of the flywheel, and the distribution of mass in relation to the axis. So essentially, to get more angular momentum, you either have to make the flywheel heavier, you have to spin it faster, or you have to make it bigger. And all of those are problematic, but our vacuum encapsulation allowed us to spin the flywheel faster without consuming more power. In doing so, we can produce more angular momentum in a smaller package and get the power down low enough that you could actually operate it on a DC boat with no generator. So going on with the angular momentum is each time this gyro moves fore and aft, the total angular momentum essentially indicates how much total torque you have available. And what you want to do is move the sphere at a rate that's similar to the rate that the boat is rolling, because you want to produce torque throughout that roll rate. That's the most efficient use of torque. That is the way to get the most and the best in terms of roll reduction. So as you see here, we're now rolling less than 1 degree. Prior to us turning this on, we were rolling 8 to 10 degrees, and that's a typical performance that we achieve. So we strive for 95% roll reduction, and again, that's all based on, we look on the parameters of the boat and we make sure we're putting the right amount of angular momentum on your boat.